Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Threads video on the Threads app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. So first, we will be needing to get our video from the Thread app. So simply we need to open the Threads app, and after that you will need just to go to the video that you want to download. And here we have some uh, Threads video. I'm going to click on them, and here we will need to simply share this video or click just the share button. By clicking on the share button, we will be able to get the link. By clicking on link, we will have the link copied into our clipboard. Now we will need to use third-party tools to be able to download such things. So here I'm just going to the Threads downloader. You can simply go to threadsdownloader.com, and here you will need just to simply add the Threads link by pasting the Threads link. And here I'm just going to paste. Let's just remove it again, and it seems that we made a mistake here. So I'm just going to paste it now and click enter or download. And here it will just verify if you are human. It's just a captcha. You will need just to wait. And as you can see here, it can get the video. And here you will need just to download. And by clicking on downloading, of course, you can choose the resolution and stuff. And here you have it downloaded into your phone. We can click on open and we can find that it is successfully has been downloaded on our mobile and it is on our local storage. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.